Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about PatPat app and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of PatPat. If you find updates here, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.